Hi, are you Mr. Levine?
Yes, I am, and you must be the Treehouse Detectives. I understand you want to learn more about planet Mars.
That's right. We're designing a habitat that will sustain life on Mars.
So we figured we needed to learn more about the red planet.
Well, you've come to the right place. Mars is a very inhospitable planet, and you must be prepared.
What's it like on Mars?
Let's take a look. Mars is a very different planet than the Earth. No trees, no flowers, no animals. Mars is a very desolate planet.
Why do they call it the red planet?
The surface of Mars contains large amounts of rusty iron that give Mars its reddish color. In addition, strong winds blow surface material up in the atmosphere, giving the atmosphere a reddish-pink color.
Does Mars have land features, like Earth?
Yes, Mars has lowlands, mountainous highlands. Mars has the largest volcano in the solar system, and Mars has the longest canyon in the solar system.
I've seen the Grand Canyon here on Earth, and it was pretty big.
Oh, it's far bigger than the Grand Canyon. Marianas Valley on Mars is about 3,000 miles long, about the same distance as a trip from New York to Los Angeles.
What kind of atmosphere does Mars have?
The atmosphere of Mars is very thin, it's cold, and it's dry. The atmosphere of Mars is only about 1/200th the thickness of the Earth's atmosphere.
Is there oxygen like here on Earth?
No. In fact, the atmosphere of Mars is 95% carbon dioxide, 3% nitrogen, and 2% argon.
We'll definitely need to bring our own oxygen.
How do we know so much about Mars?
Over the last 30 years, NASA has sent a number of spacecraft to Mars to study the planet. Here at the NASA Langley Research Center, we're looking into the possibility of sending the first robotic airplane to Mars.
That would be so cool.
Would you like to see what our plane will look like flying through the atmosphere of Mars?
That would be great.
Check this out.
Wow.
Thanks, Dr. Levine.
You've given us a lot to consider about our habitat.
You're welcome. Anytime.